We don't even know what's the name of it. He just made this up in his head. It's just so early, hon.
Yeah, that's fine. That's why that prime time is so good. Oil in there. Maybe taste here.
Good morning, guys.
Cooking at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, he's cooking 2 o'clock in the morning, cooking in Spanish rice. Two batches, right?
Yeah.
I don't know why you did it too.
Why? I was only going to do one. Because there would be so many other things. But then I decided, no, that's really. Because that'll be one of the favorite things. If I had realized that ahead of time, I would have tried to make one big batch. Even though that pot really has to make a big batch well.
Yeah.
I'm better off doing 2 batches, but then I had to cut everything twice. Pain in the ass.
And yeah, he got up 2 o'clock in the morning, start cooking, cutting stuff. He doesn't even wait for me that I can help him.
I'm
But
not gonna wake you up to make you cut stuff.
so well.
There's plenty of stuff to do. You can help me after you wake up. I figured it's not a big deal.
Oh, what is this dirt? Oh, it's a water. So, but I don't help you this morning when I get up. I have my breakfast. I edit the vlog.
I was already cooking.
I edit my vlog from yesterday, guys. I'm sorry. I'm coughing.
For the second batch. The first batch I had cooking before Grandma came out.
Oh, really? You did it already?
Yeah, I was already cooking. And we got our coffee and stuff. I was making a second batch, so she said, maybe I can help. So I told her, you know what? Clean the rice.
You let her clean the rice. And what's gonna happen to the broccoli rub?
She said she'll do it, but I gotta be honest with you, she's not gonna be in the mood for it after dialysis.
Yeah, I know.
So I'm gonna
just start to it.
I'm gonna have to do it.
So what do you want me to cut after? I'm done editing, so I'm
Well,
just gonna upload
beans,
it.
but I'm not gonna microwave. I'm gonna boil them in a pot.
Okay.
Because in the microwave, sometimes they come out cooked fine, sometimes they don't.
Okay. So, okay.
I bought 3 bags of string beans. That should be plenty.
So I know you're curious, guy, why we're in the car early this morning, because we dropped my mother-in-law to dialysis. I'm so cold. I have to put my hand in.
It's not cold. I'm just wearing a shirt and I'm fine. At my head, I get just colder on my head. My head's just pounding.
Yeah, the refrigerator that you don't want to throw out. It's there buried in the garage.
In the garage? The freezer? No, that's better.
What freezer? What refrigerator?
The refrigerator on the porch.
Oh, the porch?
Yeah.
Okay.
The beer refrigerator.
Okay.
I can plug that in. I can put a few things in there.
Then you start plugging it in because it get cold long.
Yeah, in this weather, I think it'll be cold pretty quick. You gotta remember, it only has to get cold based on the temperature it's sitting in. I don't think it takes that long.
Okay, we're home. Thank goodness we threw the garbage because there's no more extra space for garbage can. It's uploading right now. It's not uploading, it's processing. Transfer to my laptop from iMovie to my laptop. Hold on. I need my charger because it's almost low bat and everything is a mess right now here because my husband is cooking. And yeah, he made this 2 container of rice and that other one here. And right now he's steaming. I'm so happy that my sister is all uploading. I told my sister to buy a smart packet Wi-Fi in the Philippines that they can have a Wi-Fi with their phone. So what I did is I send my old, hold on, that anyway, where did I stop? And that's what I want my sister to do, just to keep uploading pictures. So now that they have it, I'm so happy that this morning when I get up, I saw a lot of pictures that she uploaded. Makes me happy though. That's the only thing they can do for me. Picture. So anyway, I'm gonna open this thing. This is a salad bowl. And how can I open this? egg in the butter. There you go. It's nice. Yeah. This is a nice salad bowl, guys. Stainless steel. Hold on. My timer is done.
Well, they don't know. Is it the electrician or the network guys? The network guys were in there too. So who knows who did it? Yeah, I know.
Steaming string beans right now. Hold on.
Parmesan,
My husband's calling his friend. Out talking to his friend. So we're having this. No, not we. My husband and some of the people who's coming here, they're gonna have scotch. This scotch is the cheapest scotch. My margarita, vodka, wine, red wines, and yeah, another thing, and Baileys, and we have more in that area there. We have a lot more wines in that pantry. And the apple for smoothies, the salt for margarita. Yeah, and I put some cake servings here and the dinner plate servings. And of course, we're gonna have some chips. We have chips downstairs. I put kettle cook, this one here, jalapeno, and dipping. What is this? Pretzels, and this one kettle tomato basil. And this one is so good. This is the garlic parmesan pretzels. And here, this one is my husband's gonna. We're not gonna buy a tomato and smash it and do like that, boil it. We decide to buy this because this is good. The roasted garlic. I'm still going to make a flan. So you guys, you tell me guys if you know what kind of Christmas you guys have. Like the people who work abroad. Hold on. What are you guys doing on Christmas? I really like the Christmas in the Philippines better than here. Philippine Christmas is more fun. It's more fun in the Philippines. Right, guys? Here? No. There is no, how do you call that, guys? There is no, in Christmas in the Philippines, we have always like a, we have yung pabuto, kung sa tawag pabuto. Pabuto. Guys, help me. Just comment, guys, what I'm talking about here. They don't have it. It's illegal. But some people do that, though. Yung pabuto. The Bisaya. My husband is cutting cheese. What cheese is that?
Pepper jack.
Pepper jack. And he cut this already, the stinky cheese ever in the world.
Provolone.
Provolone. The stinkiest cheese. My husband decided to make this blah blah food. We don't even know what's the name of it. He just made this up in his head. String beans, mozzarella, tomato I cut in half. This is the one that he makes the mozzarella thing. It's already mixed with oil thing, and we got it from Costco. Yeah.
I would like the seasoning, but
this is the mozzarella that my husband got from Costco. He makes it with this. It looks good and it tastes perfect. And you know what he add? Oil, vinegar, lemon,
garlic,
it's lemon, garlic, all powder, and that's really it, right, Han?
Yeah, I got a couple of onions in there too.
Thank you, Joel's Blue, for subscribing me. Thank you, and thank you for the comments. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. And thank you also to Pink's Pretty for subscribing. Thank you. I don't know. I charged my laptop and it doesn't work. What's going on? What's going on? My cat pulled the wires.
It's such a gut for the window.
My hand is free. The phone is there. The phone, are you there?
Also at a crawl. And on Long Island, it remains nice and quiet on the LIE, northern and southern.
The NASDAQ, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, topped 18,000 for the first time ever. That came just a minute or two after the opening bell. Right now, the blue chips holding at 18,041, up 81.
We're in and out in the Beth and Lian. Don't go here. I'm just making flan right now, guys. For Christmas. I'm gonna make 2 batches for flan. I'll show you. While I'm doing that, I'm watching my show. And I'm having my recipe here. Panlasang Pinoy. Hi to you and thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing to Tosangli. Tosangli, right? If that's your username. Thank you. Tosangli, thank you for subscribing again. Anyway guys, good night and I'll see you tomorrow.